how to get shaders in CurseForge. So first, you're gonna get the version of your mod packs over here, which in this case is 1.16.5. And then you're gonna have to download the Optiline version of that mod pack, and of course the shaders. So just go ahead to your preferred browser and search for Optifine downloads over here. Go to the show all versions and just go ahead and find the version you want to go ahead and download. Then just press on the download button, of course, and make sure you're careful with what you press here, since those are just ads, some of them. The real download is here in the top right, where you go ahead and press on skip, and then eventually you'll get this download option. That's what you want to go ahead and get. And then after the Optifine, once that's done downloading, you're gonna get your shaders as well. So in our case, we'll be getting Silder shaders. So just go ahead to the CurseForge option over here, which is Silder's Vibrant shaders. You'll be pretty much just plotted over here, where you can look at the files depending on you what you want and what properties your device can take. There's extreme, high, medium, and of course these can support multiple versions. So just go ahead and choose the file or zip file you want to download and just press on that one. Then just go ahead and press on download over here. Once those are done, finish downloading, of course, first you're gonna go ahead and copy Optifine first. That way, once you go back to the CurseForge, you can go ahead and open the triple dot button of the mod pack you want to put shaders on and press on open folder. You're gonna have to paste the Optifine version over here, and it should look a bit something like this. Once you're done with that, go back to your CurseForge and open up Minecraft. In Minecraft, open up the options or settings and then go into video settings, where you can put your shaders. So go ahead to the shaders over here and then press on the shaders folder, where you can go ahead and paste the shaders pack that you downloaded. So go back to your Silder's Vibrant shaders, or whichever shaders you chose, press and copy and then paste it over here. So it's gonna be look something like this, and it should directly put into the shaders into your Minecraft. You could go ahead and turn it on immediately over here and press on done, but if you haven't done that, you can enter a world and then just go ahead and manually turn it on once you're in that world by double clicking on that shaders. But once you do that, you should be able to add shaders to your CurseForge. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.